It can be really frustrating when your Apple Watch suddenly won't open apps, especially when everything was working fine before. You tap on an app and nothing happens, or it just freezes on the loading screen. This issue can come from temporary glitches, low memory, outdated software, or even minor syncing problems with your iPhone. The tricky part is that there isn't always one obvious cause, which makes it feel harder to fix. The good thing is that most of the time, this isn't a serious problem and can be resolved with a few simple steps. Once you go through the right checks, your apps should start opening normally again without any issues. Try these. Step 1. Restart your Apple Watch by turning it off and back on. Step 2. Restart your paired iPhone to refresh the connection. Step 3. Check your battery level and charge the watch if it's low. Step 4. Update to the latest watchOS version from settings. Step 5. Ensure your watch is properly connected to your iPhone. Step 6. If the issue continues, unpair and repair your Apple Watch.